Hello, welcome to another Needs Portal tutorial. The purpose of this video is to complete referrals for service providers and parent mentors. This video is specifically for caseworkers. In order to complete a referral in the Needs Portal, you will go to Program Terms, and then you will select the program term for the family you are interested in making a referral for. So if you scroll down, you can see service referrals and mentor referrals. So our service referrals will be referrals for a service provider who will be providing SUD counseling of some sort. Our mentor referrals are for FPMs who are going to be providing parent mentor services. For service referrals, we are going to select Add Service Referral. So let's say that we are making a referral for a parent to a service provider, and this service provider has a Needs Portal account. What we will do is add the date of the referral, add the provider location, and add the service categories. We are ideally looking for one of these first 5 options of SUD services, since the Needs Portal will be counting the first 5 appointments for SUD services. That is counting toward fidelity. So we'll select SUD counseling. Next, we'll click Select Provider under Provider Name. And so if you know the individual who you are looking for in the Needs Portal, you can type their name specifically. However, if you do not know the name of the service provider, you can search by location and search by service category. And then you'll select Apply. And so whoever meets those requirements will show up here. In this case, we only have one, which is Test Provider. So we'll select that and click Select Service Provider. And so you can see Test Provider has shown up here. If we accidentally selected the wrong one, you can click Remove or Replace to change that. And next, you're going to select the participants who are going to be receiving services from the test provider. If, for example, this was for services for all of the family, such as case management or family therapy, you have the option of selecting the services for the whole family. However, for SUD counseling, we want to select just one family member. Even if both family members, the mother and the father, are going to be receiving the services from the same provider, we want to see those referrals made separately so the service provider can document the notes separately. So we'll say in this case, this referral is being made for the mother. So we'll check mark the mother, and then we'll click Save. Once you click Save, you'll get a note at the top that indicates that an email has been sent to that service provider, letting them know that they have something to accept in the Needs Portal. And if you scroll down to Service Referrals, you can see that a referral has been made for the mother, and it's currently waiting to be accepted. You can also see on the side that there is the option to accept or deny service referrals for a service provider. This could be the case if a service provider does not use the Needs Portal or perhaps needs notes entered before they are able to get in to accept or deny the referral. The caseworkers or FPMs are able to come in and accept or deny those referrals so service provider notes can start to be written. So next, let's say we are creating a service referral for a provider that is not in the Needs Portal and does not have a Needs Portal account. We will go into Add Service Referral. Again, you'll complete all the information at the top. You'll select the location. You'll select the service category. And so if they are not in the needs portal, we will not be able to search for them under provider name. This is just where we store all of our information around who is in the needs portal. So instead, we will select provider missing, indicating that they do not have a needs portal account. And then you will write in their name. You will then identify the participants that are going to be receiving services from that provider. So we'll select the dad, since mom was referred to the other provider, and then you'll click save. And so you can see at the top, we do not get a note saying an email was sent because this provider is not in the needs portal. And if you scroll down to the service referrals, you will see that this provider has already had the referral accepted, since they are not in the needs portal to accept or deny the service referrals. So this provider can go ahead and start logging notes, or in this case, since they're not in the needs portal, the FPM or caseworker can go in and start logging notes. Next, let's take a look at mentor referrals. So we will click Add Mentor Referral. You're going to include the date. You're going to include the name of the mentor referral. And then you're going to select the participant. In this case, you can select multiple participants to go to one parent mentor, since in their contact logs, they are able to identify who was in the appointment. And so you can select both individuals. If you're referring to different parent mentors, you would select just one parent and save, and then create a second mentor referral for the other parent mentor you would be referring to, and then select the other family member. But in this case, we'll select both family members going to test parent mentor. And then we'll select save. And so we get another notification at the top that lets us know that an email has been sent to the parent mentor to accept or deny that referral. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see that that referral is here, but is in the waiting state since it needs to be accepted or denied. So the next step will be the service provider and mentor accepting those referrals, but that will be seen in a future video. Thank you for joining me for this Needs Portal tutorial on creating referrals in the Needs Portal. If you have any questions, please email us at needsportal@osu.edu. You can also go to our YouTube page to look at other Needs Portal tutorials.